Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on your Polkawallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your wallet address on Polkawallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The home page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. From the home page, select Dot option. You will receive two options. Simply tap on Receive at the right hand side of the page and then you will be able to reveal your wallet address along with your wallet's QR code. Anyone can now scan the QR code so that they can send you DOT token or interact with Polkawallet network. You can also copy the wallet address by tapping on Copy and share it to the person you want to receive dots from. This is how you can find wallet address on Polkawallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.